In computing, cut is a Unix command line utility which is used to extract sections from each line of input usually from a file. It is currently part of the GNU coreutils package and the BSD Base System. It first appeared in AT&T System III UNIX in 1982. Extraction of line segments can typically be done by bytes, characters, or fields separated by a delimiter. A range must be provided in each case which consists of one of n, nm, n, or m, where n and m are counted from 1. Since version 6, an error is thrown if you include a zeroth value. Prior to this the value was ignored and assumed to be 1. Examples, assuming a file named file containing the lines foo, barbas qux, 1, 2 3 4 5 6 7, alpha, beta gamma delta epsilon zeta eta theta iota kappa lambda mu, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. To output the 4th through 10th characters of each line. This gives the output bar, 2th, ha, beta, quick. To output the 5th field through the end of the line of each line using the colon character as the field delimiter. This gives the output QUUX, 5, 6 7, epsilon, zeta eta theta iota kappa lambda mu, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Note that because the colon character is not found in the last line the entire line is shown. Option D specified a single character delimiter which serves as field separator. Option F which specifies range of fields included in the output. Option D presupposes usage of option F. To output the 3rd field of each line using space as the field delimiter. This gives the output foo, barbas qux, 1, 2 3 4 5 6 7, alpha, beta gamma delta epsilon zeta eta theta iota kappa lambda mu, brown. Note that because the space character is not found in the first 3 lines these entire lines are shown. To separate 2 words having any delimiter. This gives the output processed. Syntax cut, b, c, f list, n, delim, s, file. Flags which may be used include bar, bytes. A list following B specifies a range of bytes which will be returned. For example, cut B1-66 would return the first 66 bytes of a line. NB if used in conjunction with N, no multi-byte characters will be split. NNB. B will only work on input lines of less than 1023 bytes, characters. A list following C specifies a range of characters which will be returned. For example, cut C1-66 would return the first 66 characters of a line. Far specifies a field list, separated by a delimiter, lister, a comma-separated or blank-separated list of integer-denoted fields, incrementally ordered. The indicator may be supplied as shorthand to allow inclusion of ranges of fields, for example 4 to 6 for ranges 4 6 or 5 as shorthand for field 5 to the end, etc. Now, used in combination with B suppresses splits of multi-byte characters, delimiter. The character immediately following the D option is the field delimiter for use in conjunction with the F option. The default delimiter is tab. Space and other characters with special meanings within the context of the shell in use must be unquoted or escaped as necessary. ZAR bypasses lines which contain no field delimiters when F is specified, unless otherwise indicated. Filea, the file to process as input. If no file is specified then standard input will be used. See also, list of Unix programs, grep, paste, sed, awk, references. External links, soft panorama cut page. Cut, 1, remove sections from each line of files. A Linux user commands manual.